Hi, I'm Bernard and I'm here today to carry out some partial discharge measurements on a HV cable for one of our customers. I'm just about to make some high voltage connections from our equipment onto the customer's cable circuit. We're going to be looking for partial discharges today, which is very important to if we can find any that we can predict exactly where they are, because finding partial discharges actually enables us to avoid any unnecessary shutdowns or breakdowns, and it saves the customer an absolute fortune in money because of the unplanned breakdown, as it may affect their process. So I think it's really important, and lots of our customers get us in to predict and give them an idea about the cable, or about how it's performing. As soon as the customer has switched out the cable and given us a permit to work, we can make our connections onto the cable circuit. The cables that we normally test are either paper or XLPE. It's very important to carry out those tests because it avoids the customer having to excavate his cables to ascertain as to the condition of them. This test can be done and give an accurate prediction without any excavation at all. What we've got here is I've just put on a cable pulse here, a pulse onto the cable, which enables us to accurately predict exactly any site locations, any locations where there's partial discharge activity. This is then fed through the filter, which this separates the high voltage that we apply to the test circuit from the discharges. This goes back to the van, so I think we're now ready to start testing. Now we're back in the van, we can start the test. We normally test the voltage depending upon what the operating voltage is of the cable, and we test at a frequency which is determined by the length of the cable. This enables us to test cables, paper cables up to 3-4 kilometers. Polymeric we have tested previously up to 14 kilometers in length. This enables us to carry out a test just from a 13 amp 240 volt supply, because we're using a VLF generator. From here I have captured some data, and this shows us that we've got some partial discharge on this circuit, and using our software it gives us that there's a discharge of 8,000, nearly 9,000 picocoulombs at 87% of the circuit length. From here now we need to find out exactly where this discharge is. Now that we've finished the high voltage testing, we've identified that our customer has partial discharge activity site at 87% of his cable route length. Unfortunately, the customer has no idea the route the cable takes from substation A to substation B. Introducing our new service, the cable locator, using the cable seeker, we can accurately plot the cable route length. With this, once we upload it onto our map, we'll be able to accurately pinpoint where the discharge activity site is. This will save our customer lots of time and effort trying to find his route length, and possibly a few wasted excavations. This is a brand new service that we want to introduce, and it completes the circle of our tests, so it gives our customer the best picture he can ask for. Thank you for watching our short presentation on the cable mapping service that we offer at EA Technology. If you want any more information, please don't hesitate to visit our website. Hopefully I'll speak to you soon.